is pleased to offer a new aftermarket replacement air spring for the rear of the 2011 to 2016 Jeep Grand Cherokee WK2 chassis. Most air suspension problems are due to a leaking air spring. Arnott offers high-quality replacement air springs that are built with name-brand air bladders and are not only engineered to last longer, but are often easier to install. In this video, we show how to install the new aftermarket replacement air spring for the rear of the 2011 to 2016 Jeep Grand Cherokee WK2 chassis. Air spring removal. Removal step 1. Prepping for removal. Set the steering to straight ahead. Begin by disconnecting the battery. Use a platform that is capable of raising the body separately from the wheels. Lift the body at the lifting points prescribed by the vehicle manufacturer. Removal step 2. Wheel removal. Start by removing the wheel's lug nuts. Once the lug nuts are removed, carefully take off the wheel. Removal step 3. Disconnecting the airline and air spring removal. Disconnect the airline from the fitting at the top of the air spring. With the airline disconnected, press down to collapse the air spring, then remove the air spring from the vehicle. Air spring installation. Install step 1. Install the air spring. Press down to collapse the air spring and install onto the vehicle. Make sure the spring is properly orientated, with the alignment tab fitting into its respective notch. Connect the airline to the air fitting at the top of the air spring. Install step 2, wheel installation. Install the wheel and tighten all lug nuts to the manufacturer's specifications. Install step 3, finishing the installation. Lower the vehicle to standard vehicle height from the lifting platform. Start the engine. Wait 2 minutes. Operate the raising function of the car's electronics. Initially lower the lifting platform slowly and only completely when the vehicle rises of its own accord. Check the air strut for leaks. It is strongly recommended that after this installation, the vehicle gets an alignment for better performance and safety.